welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing very well. So today is another video. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribe on the notification bell for you to be the first to notify whenever I upload a video. A very big thanks to all my returning subscribers. I appreciate you guys for keep on turning in. May God bless you all. So today is another video. As I said before, you know, it's Valentine season. You need to keep it simple and clean and classic, you know. So that is it. Despite we don't have anywhere going to party, you know, club or those things, so you can still look beautiful at home, look beautiful for your husband, look beautiful for your boyfriend, look beautiful for yourself also. So yeah, that is it. So I'll be doing this look with you guys. Stay tuned and see you guys all my next video. Bye. I'll be doing Valentine makeup look, simple look for Valentine Day. That is what I'll be creating with you guys. So as you all know, I'm done with my eyebrow. So this for me just to go direct to shadow. I'll be using my Revolution, I think, for also Juvia's Place. So I'm going for this color here. This color. This is what I'm going for. So let me use it first for the base, you know. I'm just going for a simple look, simple quick look, you know. I'm just tapping it all around, so all around it. So I'm using a Juvia's Place, so I'm using for this color here. So I'm still using this brush. I'm going back to Revolution. This is my brush here, these two colors here, and these two. So I'm using the elegant. So I'm using this and this color here, these two colors. So I'm using clay brush, using from this color here to clean the upper eye. So I'm done with the eyeshadow and the lashes also. So I'll be doing the foundation, primer and other things. So I'm using my primer. So I'm just going to tap it with my hand. So I'm using my regular foundation, no new foundation for the moment. So I'm using my Elegant foundation. So just drop a little bit on my back of my hand, and also I'll mix it with this back up 07. Using my brush to blend it up. So I'm using my sponge to blend it all together. So I'm using my sponge to blend it all together. I'm using my black up contour. So I'm still using the sponge also here in my contour. So now I'm using my Sacha Buttercup. So I'm using this brush here, this angle brush. over here. So this is the final look of this tutorial of this look of this Valentine. Yeah, this is Valentine look. Yeah, so this is the final look. So if you know you love it and you watch it from beginning, you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you are not yet subscribed, share with friends and family. So that is it. So see you guys on my next video. Love you all. Stay safe. Bye.